happening, everybody? It's DJ the Money Coach coming to you live. That's right, baby. At Kendwa Rocks Beach and Zanzibar. Living that POM POM Lifestyle. Hey, money, peace of mind. Come join us on the beaches of the World Club. Because you know what? I am my ancestor. And you are too. You deserve this. Get with me, baby. Tell them that beautiful little shit out there. All right, so you know what you got to do. The 4 dirty little words. Number 1, discipline. Number 2, accountability. Number 3, plug into the 7 spheres of money system. And number 4, put your head down, go to work. In 3 to 6 years, you can be completely consumer debt free, pay off your house in 5 to 7 years, and have a 6-figure income by business, real estate, leveraging the tax laws. But first things first, you got to hit that link, come to the masterclass, and get freedom right now today. Peace.